Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Today, I'm excited to unveil the world's finest shocks and struts that will revolutionize your driving experience. From smooth rides to enhanced performance, we've got you covered. So, join me as we explore these game changers together. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for more updates. Let's dive in. Number 1. Detroit Axle Strut Shocks, your ultimate solution for a smoother ride and enhanced vehicle performance. This kit includes 2 front-ready struts with coil spring and 2 rear shock absorbers, crafted to perfection for seamless suspension replacement. Engineered with precision, these struts and shocks guarantee optimal handling and stability on the road. With Detroit Axle, experience superior quality and durability, ensuring long-lasting performance and reliability. Upgrade your vehicle's suspension with confidence and enjoy a comfortable driving experience every time. Say goodbye to bumps and jolts, and hello to a smoother journey with Detroit Axle Strut Shocks. Number 2. Autosaver 88 Complete Struts for 2004 to 2008 Ford F-150 and 2006 to 2008 Lincoln Mark LT 4WD models. These struts offer a seamless solution for your suspension needs, ensuring a smooth ride on and off-road. Engineered with precision, they guarantee a perfect fit, eliminating the hassle of compatibility issues. With both front and rear shocks included, this set provides comprehensive coverage for your vehicle. The durable construction ensures longevity, promising reliable performance mile after mile. Upgrade your driving experience with Autosaver 88 Complete Struts, the ultimate solution for enhanced stability and comfort on your Ford F-150 or Lincoln Mark LT. Number 3. Automuto Strut Spring Assembly, the ultimate solution for smoother rides and enhanced stability. Designed for 1997 to 2001 Honda CR-V models, this front and rear pair of struts and shock absorbers are engineered for both 4WD and FWD configurations. Experience optimal performance on any terrain with its high-quality construction and precision engineering. Say goodbye to bumps and vibrations as these struts effectively dampen shocks, ensuring a comfortable driving experience. With easy installation and a perfect fit, Automuto ensures hassle-free upgrading of your vehicle's suspension system. Elevate your driving experience with Automuto Strut Spring Assembly, the perfect blend of durability, performance, and affordability. Number 4. TRQS Front Struts, Sway Bar Links, and Rear Shocks, perfectly compatible with the 2011 to 2017 Honda Odyssey. Elevate your driving experience with this comprehensive suspension kit. Crafted with precision engineering, TRQ ensures optimal performance and durability. The front struts deliver smooth handling and stability, while the sway bar links enhance cornering control. Plus, the rear shocks offer excellent comfort and support, even on rough terrain. Installation is a breeze, thanks to the direct fit design. Upgrade your Odyssey suspension with TRQ's reliable components for a safer and smoother ride. Dive deeper into the details in our comprehensive YouTube video review. Number 5. ECMP Complete Strut Assembly Shock Absorber delivers unmatched performance and durability for your vehicle's suspension needs. Engineered with precision, these assemblies ensure a smooth and comfortable ride, even on rough terrains. The complete package includes a fully assembled strut, coil spring, bearing, and top mount, simplifying installation and saving you time and hassle. With premium materials and advanced manufacturing techniques, ECMP guarantees reliability and longevity. Say goodbye to bumpy rides and hello to enhanced stability and control on the road. Upgrade your suspension with ECMP Complete Strut Assembly Shock Absorber for a driving experience that's both comfortable and secure. In conclusion, selecting the best shocks and struts is crucial for a smooth and safe ride. Whether it's enhancing performance or ensuring comfort, the right choice can make all the difference. We've explored top options to help you make an informed decision. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below, and share this video for more updates on automotive essentials. Drive safe.